forget losing a couple of $100,000 if that storm blows through here. We have no place to put all these people. We don't have storm shelters here. If this storm blows through here, it could annihilate this place. Please go around.
Wow. That's a tornado. Wow. That's a tornado.
Oh, wait.
It just dissipated.
There was an actual funnel up there.
There was an actual funnel?
Yeah, right in front of the big closet, right in
Yep.
front.
They may spawn more. It might form again, because that looks like, if it twists, that's a vicious tornado right there. If it turns again, it's heading this way, it looks like. And I hope that thing don't turn, because that's a big, huge one.
What's the weather looking like? Is it okay?
Michael.
It's nice out there. Maybe them storms are gonna miss us. We've had a great week with weather so far, and tonight's a real crucial night because Jesse and them's playing tonight with Jacqueline. But being out here around, right at the base of the hills, you never know what's gonna come around this thing. Right there. 30 bucks right there. Hey guys, I need to make sure that that road's shut down over by the motorcycle shop back there because we're charging at the front gate.
Roger that. That is shut down at this time, Michael. Nobody's going in or out of there.
We're gonna have to watch close tonight. A lot of people's gonna be trying to get in free.
Roger.
I'm not going anywhere, guys. You all right? Oh, that don't look good right there. Oh, holy. Oh, man, that's not good. Please stay on the other side of Bearview. Roll on past us. You know, if the rain comes, the rain shuts everything down. If it started raining now, it could annihilate our whole entire night. Oh, this weather, oh, man. With all the electricity and the power that's on that stage, but with all the amps and all the lighting and all of the electricity, if it starts raining hard enough, then we'll have to shut it down. It's not looking good, is it? It looks like it's getting closer and the wind's blowing right at us. It's just getting more intense. Tonight is my last big, huge money night. I need to show big time. I can't afford to. I mean, this could annihilate our numbers to bring this down. It'd be in a bad situation. God, man. Son of a bitch.
Next time on Full Throttle Saloon.
Tonight is the big show. I mean, there's so many things that could go wrong. We don't even know what we're doing. I mean, it's the worst possible timing for this stunt that I intend to pull off.
Ready to take it to another level. Okay, we'll let Jesse know that we have a problem back here. We gotta hurry.
If he gets hurt, it's all on you.
It's going down. We got to hurry.